I'm going to show you how to create a text fade transition in in Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, so make sure you watch that till the very end. It's a very short video, and subscribe for more tutorials. So here I have this text and I would like to create the text transition. So what I have to do is first I have to make sure I have effects control. If you can't see this panel, is not there because you can close a panel really easy and change and move things. So you just go to window, click on effects control. Now here select the text that you created, and to create a text it's quite simple. Just click on text type tool, and now here you can drag this and enter your text, and just make sure you have essential graphics, and if you don't have it, just go to essential graphics and enable that panel. All right, and now select the text, and here in you see opacity, and you can also see this eclipse mask, this mask. All right, I'm gonna select this mask, and now I have this mask on top of my text. All right, so now I can easily move this how I want. So now what I have to do is actually to create a keyframe for this mask. All right, and to create a keyframe, what you have to do is to you have to click on this button. Here is like a clock, and now you created a keyframe, and you can see your keyframe right over here. Right, this one. This is the keyframe, and now after some time we can actually create the second keyframe, and we can have to click on the mask so we can see the mask, otherwise we won't be able to see the mask. So, and just drag this this mask, and now we have this effect. Now it's too fast, as you can see, so we just have to drag this like this. Further away you can move this mask, and you don't have to create this motion. You can just move the cursor and like this, but make sure you also the mask is able to capture the entire text or to display the entire text. So like this, and if you move it around here, and now it's like this. All right, and now we have this reveal text, and we have to add some mask feather. I'm just gonna increase this feather to by 500. Let's see how it looks. Play the video, and we have this effect. I think that's too much, so let's decrease the mask feather. Now is much better. Now you can select your text, and here you can add some background. There's more text created here. All right, now we can add some stroke. We can increase stroke. Calculate here from linear to center to other. Can add some background even. Which is really nice. Can add even also shadow. All right, and now I think this background looks better without the background. All right, and looks pretty good. Now there's actually an easier method to create this effect. So what you have to do, make sure you have this effects. So go to Window and then Effects, and here please go to Video Effects and scroll all the way down to Transition, and here you should see Linear Wipe. Drag it onto your text, and then here you should see Linear Wipe. Just expand this, and now we have to add a keyframe. So toggle animation here, and now move a couple of frames ahead, couple of seconds, and also here right at the beginning, it actually don't move at all, just for now, and you actually increase the transition completion and go to about 100, and then we can actually go to couple of frames. Now we should move a couple of frames ahead, couple of seconds, and decrease the completion, and now we have this effect. And of course, now if you want all the way around, like at the beginning of the video, you actually add a keyframe, and then at the end, couple of frames, you increase transition completion. And now we have this effect instead of the other way around. Just depends the way you prefer. And now what's important here is actually to increase feather, and I'm gonna increase to about 400. And let's play, let's see, and it looks pretty good. And now we can also add, if you highlight both of the keyframes, we can add, once you highlight even one, you want to add some ease in, you can add, right click, and here ease in, ease out. Or you can highlight both and add some linear or any other you want. You can also expand here and you can see the graphs. And what's cool about it is that you can actually edit these graphs. All right, so if you select one, as you can see, you can change the graph, the way it moves. And now we have a different animation with different motion. Now it's faster. If I click plus and minus, this will actually, now it's more linear. And slower. So I really hope you found this helpful. Also here you can see wipe angle. You can also add some wipe angle, but I usually don't add any wipe angle. But now as you can see, if you add wipe angle, now the fade will start from the bottom, depends where you like to, all right? But that's cool effect. I mean, if you want this, you can start from there. You'll have a different angle. Now, with 19, with like this, like this. So yeah, I really hope you found this helpful. And subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions or suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comments section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.